Hey everyone, it's Anne here from English Valley Cafe. I hope you're all doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about three English phrases that are quite similar. They all start with the verb get, and they're very common. You'll hear them a lot in English conversation. But they have different meanings. They are used in different contexts. So I know some English learners get confused, and today I would like to talk about them and give you some examples and how to use them in English conversation. And hopefully, if you hear these phrases being used, you'll understand what they mean. Today, we're going to focus on these three phrases here: gets to you, gets you, and get at someone. So starting off with gets to you or gets to me or gets to us. When we talk about something that gets to me, we're talking about it could be somebody's behavior, somebody's words, something that causes us to suffer or causes emotional pain. So, for example, I can say her negativity was getting to me, so I left. Okay, so here I'm using the verb get in the progressive form, getting to me. And so this is just essentially saying that her negativity, maybe her negative energy, her negative words was bothering me, or it was causing me a lot of pain and suffering, so I left. Another example, his negative attitude was getting to me.
More examples. Don't let things get to you. Work has been very stressful and it's getting to him.
The next phrase is gets you. Okay, now here don't get it confused with another phrase that we talked about in another video, which is get you. Get you means that I understand you. So if you're trying to tell me about, oh, how, English speaking is pretty difficult, sometimes it's hard to think of words, and I might say, oh, I get you. Okay, I get you. That means that I understand what you're trying to say. I understand you. Here, when we say gets you, when something gets you, usually something gets you, this means that it'll make you emotional. It could make you angry. It might make you upset. It might even make you happy. So it's evoking an emotion in you. So, for example, if I say the photo of her holding the injured dog gets me every time. What does this mean? It means that every time when I see the photo of her holding the injured dog, it makes me sad. Okay, so here I can say it gets me every time, as in that when I see the photo, it makes me sad. Another example, when I hear her talk about her long journey to battling cancer, it gets me every time. Okay, so that means that when I hear the story, it causes a certain emotion in me. Okay, maybe I'm very touched or I'm very sad about it. So again, here when we say gets me, that means that when I hear the story, it gets me very emotional. Okay, so it gets me every time. Now the next one, get at someone. Okay, here we're using the preposition at. When we get at someone, we are criticizing someone repeatedly, usually constantly, like again and again. And the key here is in an unfair manner. So, for example, they were getting at me for not helping them out. Okay, so for whatever reason it was, I didn't help them out. They were not happy with it, and they kept criticizing and saying that I didn't help them out. So they were getting at me for not helping them out. Or if I'm really frustrated and they're constantly getting at me for not helping them out, I might ask the question to the person that is criticizing and say, why are you always getting at me for it? Okay, why are you always getting at me? So this is a question that you might ask to the person that is criticizing you, and asking, well, why are you always criticizing me? Why are you always getting at me for this or for something? So these are the three phrases: gets to you, gets to you, gets you, gets you, and get at someone. get at someone. Like I said, these are very common expressions, English phrases that you will hear in daily conversations. I'm curious, have you heard of these expressions being used before? Do you use these expressions yourself? Let me know down in the comments. If there are other English phrases that sound very similar, but you're not sure what they mean, let me know down in the comments. And I'd be happy to make a video to help you. If you enjoyed the video, got something out of it, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe and also tap on that bell icon so that you get a notification when I upload new lessons, new videos every week. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next video.